welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Pistachio filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.50. Contrast to 7. Highlights to -10. Shadows to 25. Whites to -2. And blacks to -19. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 10. Tint to -10. Vibrance to 7. And saturation to -2. Next, go to Grading. For highlights, hue to 32. And balance to 100. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 19. Saturation to -52. And luminance to -17. For orange, hue to -6. Saturation to -32. And luminance to -10. For yellow, hue to -40. Saturation to -50. And luminance to 50. For green, hue to -7. Saturation to -39. And luminance to 79. For aqua, saturation to -94. And luminance to -39. For blue, hue to 3. Saturation to -78. And luminance to 27. For purple, saturation to -40. And luminance to -2. For pink, saturation to -35. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to -11. Vignette to 7. Midpoint to 28. And grain to 38. Next, go to Detail. Color Noise Reduction to 25. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Enable Lens Corrections. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.